Automate your workflows with application integration and Drupal AI. Leverage Drupal's unique context management capabilities to turn Jira tickets or Confluence pages into ready-to-publish content in your developer portal. Here's an example using Jira. We created an orchestration agent using the Agent Development Kit that coordinates 3 tool agents. One retrieves an overview of your Jira content. Another fetches content and generates a blog post. The third that publishes the post to Drupal. This demonstrates how Drupal-based developer portals can seamlessly integrate with Google's Business Suite, taking advantage of the wide range of connectors available through application integration and the agentic AI tooling in GCP. Content flows smoothly from your internal systems through API integrations in application integration workflows, is processed by AI in GCP, and then published to your Drupal developer portal, where Drupal AI further refines it by extracting and organizing key metadata. Here we go, the data from Jira is now available in a structured format. Let's check what has been extracted. The content is structured with headings, subheadings, and body text. If we approve the generated content, the third agent connected to the developer portal takes action after confirmation. The content now appears in the developer portal just as expected. As the agent pushes content, AI automations in the portal backend convert unstructured information into structured data. Let's explore the admin UI and see what editable fields have been generated. Version type and release summary are auto-generated, with breaking changes highlighted. The summary text extracted from Jira can be updated directly here. Version deprecation information is also flagged. Key features indicate which taxonomies are used or created to categorize and organize content, and the affected endpoints are listed. Similar automation can be created for Confluence, Salesforce, SAP, and many more, as a variety of connectors are available in GCP. Would you like to see more workflow automations in action, or know how this demo could be extended? Contact us at info@pronovix.org.